If you're serious about getting shredded at home, you don't need 20 exercises, fancy equipment, or complicated workouts. You just need these 5. 5 movements that hit every major muscle group, build strength, endurance, burn fat, all at the same time. Master these 5 and your physique will transform 100%. Let's break them down. So first for the first exercise we have pull-ups, which are the foundation of an athletic, well-built upper body. They target your lats, biceps, traps, and even your core. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, start with negatives, which means that you lower yourself from the bar slowly and work your way up. But don't just do slow controlled reps forever. Get stronger, add explosiveness. If you want to get shredded, you need to own this movement. That's the bottom of it. For the second exercise, we have dips. Dips are the upper body squat. They build your chest, triceps, and shoulders better than any push-up variation. When you do dips right, dips develop that deep chest separation and thick triceps that make your arms pop. Keep your body upright for more triceps focus or lean forward to hit more chest. Either way, dips are non-negotiable. You need to master this movement if you want to be strong and athletic. So for the exercise 3, we have push-ups, which are one of the most underrated muscle building tool. But most people do them wrong, which means that they're doing half reps or they have weak form, there's no progression. So if you want a shredded upper body, push-ups need to be you need to do push-ups full range of motion and really control the movement. When you go along the way, you can mix them up, add different variations of push-ups like white push-ups, diamond push-ups, archer push-ups. It doesn't really matter, just keep things interesting. So for the fourth exercise, we have squats. A shredded physique isn't complete without strong legs, so squats train your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. But here's the main key: you need to go deep. So again, full range of motion, no half wrapping. And if your bodyweight squats ever get too easy, you can progress to pistol squats or Bulgarian split squats. So if you skip legs, you're really not that serious about working out. So you need to train your legs. And for the last one, we have hanging leg raises. So you don't get abs by doing million crunches. Hanging leg raises target your lower abs, hip flexors, and core stability like nothing else. You also need to control the movement without swinging, and you need to focus on engaging your core. If this is too hard for you, start with knee raises, and eventually you can build up to leg raises. So shredded abs are made through control and consistency, but the most important thing is that you keep your body fat percentage low enough so you can actually see the abs. That's it. These 5 exercises are all you need. No gimmicks, no fluff, just raw strength, endurance, and aesthetics. But here's the catch: you have to push yourself every workout. You need to go harder, get stronger, and don't quit when things get tough. Most people want results, but only a few are willing to do the work. You need to be different, you need to get to it. So that's basically it. The only 5 exercises you need to get in shape at home.